Let's head over to the machine where we have our triumph set up for a 4-thread overlock, and we're going to see what you do on those outside corners. At our machine, we're going to just start stitching. When we get to that outside corner, we're going to take 1 or 2 stitches off the material. At that point, we're going to lift up our foot and we're going to slide those stitches off of the stitch fingers. You might need to wiggle your machine just a little bit, and then you're going to bring it back to the front and you're ready to serge the other side. Once again, we're going to get right to the edge and take off 1 or 2 stitches. We're going to lift up our foot, pull your stitches back straight off of those stitch fingers and slide it around. And that's how you tackle an outside corner on your serger.